The long faces in Hushafa, a tiny community in Buhari Area Council, Abuja, says it all. Residents here recall the euphoria of some 12 years ago when former President of the United States of America, Bill Clinton, came calling in company of former President Olusegun Obasanjo. The excitement generated by that visit apparently made many people here conclude that they would no longer toil in vain, as the world then knew of their existence and would patronize their pottery business.
Misali ga mu kusa da Usman Dam, gonakin mu na yi amfani da su, iyayen mu suna noma wurin, an karba an yi ruwa, amma gashi a garin nan muna wahalan ruwa har yanzu.
But years after the US president's visit, only the promise of a tarred road appears to have been fulfilled, as hospitals, schools, electricity and pipe-borne water are yet to be provided for in the community. There appears to be a business boom for owners of boreholes in the community. One of the people living in the community, Idris Ahmed, told Channel's television crew that he makes over 6,000 naira daily as residents troop to his borehole in search of water.
For this our village will not get enough water, and that's one thing we want to make us that so that we will do this borehole so that to help people. So we are selling it by one jerrycan like this is 10 naira. This type of jerrycan. To buy the basin, what the woman should carry it is 15 naira by basin. I will get different type of basin. So it's 20 naira on CD and 30 naira on basin on CD. So that's how they use to sell off to them. So that
for some others, time for government to come to their aid is now, as most of them want their potentials to be fully harnessed.
Ba mu da ruwa steady ba kullum da muke samu ruwa ba. Wuta kuma muna da matsalan wuta don ba kullum bane ko yanzu na haka muna sharing wuta ne ba kullum da muke samu wuta ba. So muna so ku tamake mu kuna da wani tamakon da za ku yi mana sai ku tamake mu.
If federal government have promised someone, I want to give you this or I want to make you happy as other big men, but if you don't have the men like standing someone from the village, whatever they are telling you, they'll just make it in writing or they'll put it in whatever. End of the day, we'll get what you want. We didn't get our test in Hushafa. They've been Clinton promised us till now, even Obasanjo himself. But today, there's nothing changing since that time till now.
The Pottery Center, established by a former First Lady, late Mariam Babangida, under her pet project, Better Life for Rural Women in 1991, is a model center designed to better the lot of rural women who used to form the core of workers there. The center is no longer achieving its desired purpose. Just a few wares are made here for sale to other communities.
Amma yanda mu muka so a ce masu taburmai suna da wurin taburman su, masu yin zani na gargajiya a ce suna da wurin su daban, masu yin tukwane kuma a ce an kwashe, especially a ce kaman youth da a rage mana su, domin in ka shiga yanzu ga mutane sun yi aikin pottery din amma ba su da aiki.
The task of converting the human and natural endowments of this community may not be an easy task for government. But one thing that is certain is Hushafa community remains just one out of the so many communities in the country begging for quick assistance if they are to contribute their quota to the nation's development.